Hey gang, welcome to a bonus video from Jenkins Locks and Geek-Dom on free web hosting. This is Dom. So one of the things I've been preaching in videos is protect your data. Protect your work with snapshots of the VM. And I happened to accidentally make this video possible because I was doing the next video in the series and completely dorked up the VM. Still not sure what I did. I do record when I do things, obviously because I make the videos. So I'll have to do a deep dive and get the root cause later. But it's one of those cases, do I spend several hours trying to fix it or recover it? Or do I just come in, restore a snapshot from right before I started the work and just save time? So that's what I'm going to do. And I guess happy accident. Go and do the restore. So I'm here in my Google Cloud platform. I have shut it off, but the IP address was... Let me pull my console back up here. If I can find the right window and my cursor. There we go. Okay, so aside from showing you how to restore, this will also show that, you know, in the one video we did the DD client to always update and change your external IP. So right now this is what the world sees our web server as. So now, if we did things right, we'd come in here, go down to Compute Engine, Snapshots. You can see there's a couple of them. So I'm going to go with this one. So we're going to go in and we're going to create an instance. Now it's as sleepy as I am. So one thing I do normally, and you'll notice that when you do a restore, it has to restore to a new virtual machine. So one thing I like to do is when I do a restore, what is today? So when I do a restore, I put the date on there. That is going to change the VM's name, but in the grand scheme of things, it doesn't matter. We could call this Umpty Scrunch, and it's not going to matter. So we're going to select our regions. South Carolina, Northern Virginia. Good. So even though it wants to default to a bigger VM, it keeps that exact same hard drive. So we want to allow and create. Okay, I'm going to pause it here. Okay, so that, excuse me, that's finished. Scroll over. Now you notice we've got a new IP address. Go back to the Google console. I can get my Windows to cooperate here. So this is the IP address of the one we just shut down. Good God, I'm not awake yet. And here's our new one. So let's go ahead and log in and fire. Let me try to get over. Okay. Cloud command. Let's see. Now, even though this is a new VM, so even though this is a new VM, you can see it's the new instance. Come on, baby. It is still set up with that same key. And I apologize for the cat noise in the background. They're all going a little bit stir crazy right now. Okay. So, if we do a sudo client, let's do this. Service DD. Okay. Control C to get out of there. Come over here. Let's see if... So there's the old IP. Let's see, sometimes, I mean, we just booted it up, so... so, why does it... Sorry, you ever have that problem when you're on your computer and you click one thing and it keeps doing some random shutting a window down? Alrighty. Let's give it a couple minutes here. Dang it. That's one of those things. I do get impatient. I mean, back when I started in IT, considering it took 25-30 minutes for a server to start up, DNS changes taking more than a couple minutes, come a long way. Come on. There we go. So I was just being impatient. Apologize for that. But now, without us doing anything except for having a couple minutes of patience, and that's probably because the VM was starting up. It's got to go through and run all of its processes, and then Google has to catch up. So with that, I totally screwed the pooch on my VM. We restored from a snapshot, and due to our prep, we didn't have to do anything to change our IP address to the world. So if our website was up and running within, this video is now at 9 minutes and some change, we've got a server back, IP is updated, so the world can connect to it, and that was what, less than 10 minutes downtime. So anywho, hope you guys enjoyed this video, got something out of it. Hopefully my mistakes won't cause me to create too many more bonus videos. But if you like this, please consider hitting subscribe, like, all the good stuff. And I will catch you guys next time. Thanks.